Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. We have a lot of aloe vera in one corner of our garden. Whoever visits our garden always asks us why we plant so many aloe vera. As you already know, aloe vera has many benefits, as we can use it in skincare, healthcare, etc. And we have uploaded many videos on this aloe vera, like how you can make hair mask from this, etc. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can grow aloe vera in a 4 to 5 inches of pot in a handful of soil. Second is that what kind of care do you have to take care of this plant to make its leaf healthy and thick. Third is that what kind of garden use can we do from this aloe vera. As you can see, all the pots are 4 to 5 inches, and in every pot you can plant a single plant. We have planted these plants almost a year ago, and look, from the mother plant we have baby plants. First thing you have to do is that you must remove all the baby plants from the mother plant, because in a small pot, if you grow more than one plant, the plant's health will be not good. Second tip is that make sure that you remove all the lower leaves from this plant, because if we do not remove the lower leaves or the baby plants, then the pot may break. Now I will be telling some care tips of this plant. As these plants are succulent, the first care tip is to give it as less water as possible. Make sure that you water it once a week, or water it when the soil feels completely dry. Second tip is that if you are watering the plant, then make sure that you use liquid fertilizer. It may be compost tea, vegetable tea, etc. Even dry water works as good as them. Now I'm going to be telling you a common tip for every plant, which is that if you give different types of fertilizers or manures every time, then your plant will be more healthier. Next care tip is that aloe vera plants love direct full sunlight, that too 4 to 6 hours every day. So make sure that you place these plants in a sunny area. Now I'll tell you what you should do with these waste leaves. Do you know you can use these leaves in your garden? Yes, today I'm going to tell you how you can make manure in 3 different ways from these waste leaves. First step is that you immerse these leaves in some water, because you'll notice that after keeping these aloe veras upside down in water for 24 hours, you'll see a yellow liquid. This yellow liquid is latex. And do you know this latex is very beneficial for your plant and soil? Yes, this also works as an insecticide. You can also put these aloe vera leaves in your compost bin, so that you can make compost out of them. Now I'll tell you the third way, which is that take a few leaves and grind them in a grinder. Then make sure that you dilute this paste 4 to 6 times. Then simply give it to your plants. This is a great fertilizer for enriching the soil as well as the plants. That's all. Bye bye.